Hello everyone, welcome back to Andrina's Planet. I'm Andrina here. Today I'm going to talk about the top 10 lies that we were taught in our school life. Let's start. Humans evolved from apes. We have widely accepted Darwin's theory of the survival of the fittest, and the humans evolved from apes. If humans evolved directly from ancient apes, there would no longer be any apes left. That's because humans would have won the survival lottery. The existence of apes directs to the probability that at the same point apes and humans shared a common ancestors, but the ancestors had evolved in separate directions from one another, which explains the existence of the primates even today. Isaac Newton and the apple. We have all heard of the story that Isaac Newton was sitting under a tree when an apple fell on his head. This led him to the discovery up with his groundbreaking laws. But the truth is, Newton was never really hit by an apple on the head. There is no evidence that suggests this. It was probably added 2 years later, only to make his story a bit interesting for children to learn. Nevertheless, the story is now quite popular and always associated with Newton all over the world. The Great Wall of China is visible from space. We have all been taught this at least once, right? However, this is anything but true. It is actually nearly impossible to see the entire Great Wall from the space without the help of a telescope. Even Chinese astronaut Yang Liwei confirmed that he couldn't see the wall in low Earth orbit. However, there are a few roads and bridges that can be seen with bare eyes. We all have five senses. We are endowed with five senses: taste, smell, touch, sight, and hearing. This is what we were taught in school, right? But the truth is, we have several more senses, and no, we are not talking about the sixth sense. Other senses include the sense of vibration, time, balance, direction, and temperature. These are still just to name a few, and the actual number of senses that human possess is quite debatable. Christopher Columbus discovered America. We were all taught that it was the Italian voyage Christopher Columbus who first discovered America in 1492. However, that's not true. America was first discovered in the 11th century by the Viking Leif Erikson, almost 400 years earlier. But Columbus' voyage became noteworthy as it made a lasting European contact with the Americans. Further, his discovery led to the exploration and colonization of the land. Thomas Alva Edison invented the light bulb. Early in our schools, we were taught that Thomas Alva Edison invented the incandescent light bulb and gave us the most important invention for a long time to come. That's only half true. In 1800, the rudimentary model of the light bulb was already under progress because of Alessandro Volta. Edison was born nearly 50 years later in 1847. In 1879, Edison added the final touch to the group effect of the scientist throughout history. Alcohol kills brain cells. As part of their health education, most school kids learn that drinking alcohol kills brain cells. The truth is that moderate drinking doesn't cause any damage in most cases. Heavy drinking absolutely can damage the brain, as well as the liver and other critical systems. But the damage isn't the result of cell death. The amount of alcohol required to kill cells would kill the person first. Blood is blue in the body. Generation of children manage to leave school believing that blood is blue until it touches oxygen. When it turns red, blood is always red. Veins appears blue only because of how light is filtered as it penetrates the skin. There is no gravity in space. It's common knowledge that astronauts float because there is no gravity in space. Actually, there is gravity everywhere, including space, including the kind that keeps the moon in orbit around Earth. People and objects appear to float while in orbit because they are in a state of free fall. 10. The 13 colonies. The American flag has 13 stripes to represent the original 13 colonies of the USA. But in reality, there were only 12 colonies. That's because Delaware was never a separate colony, but juggled between Maryland and Pennsylvania. It ended up under the ownership of William Penn and remained with Pennsylvania until the Revolutionary War. Thanks Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, please like and share to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel.